Yo, I'm putting you on game today. If you like the prices on Shein.com, that's right, that's SHEIN.com, where you can fill a bag of woman clothes, some cosmetic, a couple of cell phone case, this, that, next, knocks for under $50, and ship a 3 or 4 pound bag full with 10, 12, 13, 14 items for under $50. Pay no duty. And you enjoy doing that, or you enjoy going to AliExpress and doing likewise, you're going to love this site. TEMU. I'm putting you on game. And the one thing that's important about this site, see, I have 6 things in my cart. No, I'm not going to my cart. I don't want you to show me I buy it. Nah, I'll show you that. But the one thing about this site is that, let's look at this legging, this woman tights, right? Is that everything here is shipped from the USA. Let's just look at some random things. $15 woman jeans. Everything right here on this site is shipped from the good old US of A. And what I find with this site is you will find most of your Chinese, not Chinese, but you'll find most of your, I can't type and talk. Let's just go to a woman's dress, let's say. You will find most of your same stuff that you find on AliExpress on this site. And the one difference is that these items will be shipped from within the US. So your 1 month wait to get the nice things on AliExpress is over. Look at this fashionable dress. I mean, it's amazing. The things on this site is a lady in red. Yes, the things on this site is just amazing. So I'm putting you on game. And we have a ton load of customers who have been shopping at this site. It's getting ever so popular. Every week that I look, I'm getting more and more bags from this site. You know, things come in plastic bags. Unless you buy like a ton load, it'll come in a box. But we're getting more and more things from this site. And I'm telling you right now, I'm endorsing this site. Sorry, TOPS, ladies tops, like blouse. Yeah, I'm endorsing this site wholeheartedly because I know they're real. I know a ton load of people who shop there, friends and so forth, and they're telling me the prices are right. The items do show up $6 for this stock. I don't know woman fashion too much, but sure they sell man stuff too as well. But the price is right, I'm telling you, and they're shipping the stuff from inside of America. Pajama, $12. And you don't have to wait that long wait. So check it out. I'm gonna take a stab at it. Temu, that's what I call it. The price is right, check it out.